came in very well packaged. No hard time opening it. Take it out. Looks like seems authentic, no issues. Seems authentic. So they have this peel. Open it.
Let me open it for you too.
Seems like a barcode to even smartphone if you use. Okay, then use for the fly app. This is the comes with this nice box, nice bag. I ordered it with RC N3. I already have a N2 remote which is green, so I'm probably not going to use this. Comes with extras like propellers. You can see the propellers, extra set of propellers, charger, more propellers. This is probably the ND filters, and user manual. So this is a fly more combo. So I have I think the one battery is on the drone itself, and the two batteries are on the charger. And finally, the drone. So there it is. So I'll probably do another video with a flying test, but it looks legit. There is no issues. It looks very authentic. So if you are buying, I know I had to whatever I paid for I bought it from eBay from a South Korean seller, but whatever you pay, you will have to probably pay a little bit of fees. I paid my fee was about $56, so that's not too much. So this is the DJI MINI 5 Pro drone. I'll see you on the next one.